In this video, we will talk about the Badoo freemium that you can get for free. It will also discuss how you will get it without paying in 2026. As you can see right here, I have in here this Reddit thread asking about has anyone else been given premium Badoo forever and wondering why they got picked. So for this, as you can see, this user got picked for a free premium without even paying for anything. So it is because Badoo gives them this particular privilege and they are picked by the system itself. As you can see, user says about they know that you will be there forever and basically you are attractive, so someone will actually get to you right here. So this will also bring in a lot of male customers, so you will get a premium for free on Badoo using those particular statistics. Technically, Badoo doesn't really publish their mechanics for the free premium, but for this case, it is actually safe to say that it's for marketing purposes. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.